3 to the x minus 2. The very first thing we want to do is find the horizontal asymptote. So I look at this problem. Horizontal asymptote is at negative 2. Good, Rachel. No. Remember, it's tagged on the end, so we don't change it. It says negative 2, so it tells me my horizontal asymptote is at y is equal to negative 2. So I'm going to go on my graph. I'm going to draw a horizontal line at negative 2 that my graph is not going to touch or cross. I might hug it. I'm going to get close to it, but I'll never touch it or cross it. Because it's an asymptote, because it's not really part of my graph. That's why it's dotted. No, but just make it dotted. All right? Next thing I'm doing is I'm going to move 1 unit above it. Do I go left or right at all? No, there's nothing with my x, so I don't go left or right. I just go up 1. I'm going to put a dot. Why did I go up and not down? Because it was positive. Good answer. I went up 1 on my first one. If I go to the right, I'm up 3. Rachel, why do you know 3? Because it's tripling it each time. I go right 1, I'm up 3. And then if I, from the green line, so I counted from the green line, 1, 2, 3. When I move over again, I'm going 9. So from that green line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From, I started 1 point above in the middle. Okay, when I moved to the right one, I moved up 3 because it's an x3 exponent. Okay, so it tells me to triple 1. I went up to 3. Then I moved over again, and from that one from the green line, I'm going to go up 9 because I tripled 3. 3 tripled is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay? Then what's my shape that I'm going to have here? Rocket ship. Get close. Take off. There we go. Domain is next. Is it a fraction or a square root? So my answer is all real numbers. Every time. You can go through right now and write all real numbers for every answer. You don't have to do that right this second, but just know that every time it's all real numbers. Okay, the next thing is range. Y, it's greater than. Why is it greater than, Rachel? Because I'm going up. My graph is above negative 2, so Rachel says y is greater than negative 2. That's my break in my graph. When you pay attention, you're excellent. It's awesome. It's crazy how that works.